Hey, what's up, fam? My name is Brehon. I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love to focus on our own personal financial development. Family, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope your week is off to a great start. It is January 16th, 2023, and I am taking a walk on lovely Jaco Beach, Costa Rica. This is my last morning walk. Then I'll be headed back to the States. But we've been over here for a while, been having a lot of fun, meeting new people, eating great food, on some great excursions. It's just been truly phenomenal. I think everyone should vacation. It's very important for the mind, very important for the soul, the spirit. And it's very important that we create amazing memories. Now, what this video is basically talking about 3 books that can make you rich. I remember in 2008 when I read my first book. And that set me on a course for reading a book a week for like a year and a half. So I read 1 book per week for a year and a half. Now, prior to that, I went 20 years without reading any books. But reading those books changed my life, changed my mindset, and it could do the same for you. So if you're looking to change your mindset when it comes to creating wealth or getting on the journey to create wealth, one of the books I want to talk to you about is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, Rich Dad, Poor Dad talks about getting out of the rat race, right? Conditioning your mind, because most people, I would say 75–80% of the people in the country, we think about getting a job, earning a paycheck, earning a living, and that's it. Hopefully collecting a retirement, hopefully saving in our 401ks, and that's it. Right? Now, that's absolutely wrong. There's nothing wrong if that's something that you desire to do. But if you have a desire for more in life, if you have a desire to be more abundant, if you have a desire to add more to society, it's time to change your mindset. And the first book is by Robert Kiyosaki, will help shift your mindset from being an employee or being self-employed to being a business owner or being an investor. Okay, Robert Kiyosaki, phenomenal book. So now we are shifting our mindset, right, from thinking just only employee to other things. Now, the second book was an important book for me, and you don't hear people talk about this book that often, but the book Creative Visualization by Shakti Gawain is an amazing book. There are so many people that have dreams and have goals. They want to have more, they want to do more, they want to be more in life, but they just don't know where to start. They don't know how to start. They have a lot of great genius ideas, but they don't know how to implement them, right? And so creative visualization helps put your mind in a state where it's creating ideas, right? It's creating opportunities. Creative visualization is an awesome and amazing book that will help you hone in and focus in on things that you truly desire. That book really changed my mind, it changed my mindset, and it changed the way I look at life. Creative visualization is one of those books that I think everyone needs. I think creative visualization is a book that everyone should own in their library. And it is a book that you should buy and ship to people on Christmas, give a kid every graduation. It's a phenomenal book. All right, so you have made the mind shift from thinking about other things, right? Now we're going to go to creative visualization, because creative visualization is going to help you hone in and see the potential that you have in yourself. It can help you see the potential and the impact that you can provide when it comes to manifesting your ideas, creating clear, conscious ideas, right? Creative visualization. Now, the third book I want to talk about is The Richest Man in Babylon. The Richest Man in Babylon is a phenomenal book, because it doesn't matter about how creative your ideas are. It doesn't matter how many businesses you can start. If you cannot learn to save your money, invest your money, ultimately you will lose out in the end. Mozart was a famous pianist. He was known all around the world, and he was paid handsomely to go to all of these places throughout, various countries and perform. But he had a problem. He could not save his money. He was horrible with his finances. And as a result of that, he ended up dying a penniless man. You don't want to die a penniless man. The Richest Man in Babylon teaches you the importance of saving money, right? Because if you can't save money, you can't invest money, right? So when you begin conditioning your mind to save money and put money away and maximize your savings, then you have opportunities where you can invest your money, right? You can invest your money in businesses. You can invest your money in real estate. There are tremendous opportunities for a man who has money. But you must be able to condition yourself to save your money. So there you have it. The Richest Man in Babylon is a phenomenal book. I have a guy that buys 10, 15 books every year, and he give them out to people because it is again a book that is shifting the way we see the world, right? So there are 3 books that truly will help you see the world totally different. These are 3 books that will truly help you in your financial goals and your financial journeys, whether it's investing in the stock market or entrepreneurship, because everyone wants to be an entrepreneur, but it's important to seek wise counsel. And some of the best counsel can be found in the right books. And so what I like to do is, I like to go to the older books, the original books, because once you start reading these new books, you realize all they did was take information from other books and put it in a nice story and put a bow on top and present it as if it is their own. But again, 3 books that will help change your life. I think you should take a look at these books. Phenomenal life-changing books. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Creative Visualization, and The Richest Man in Babylon. All right, now I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. And I hope 2023 for you is off to a great start like it is for me. All right, family. Now, if you like this video, if it added some value to you, please hit that like button, subscribe button. Keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.